Hey everyone, so I'm on the 5th floor of the Bangkok Junction store. I'm in the B, where the B zone meets the A zone. And I'm going to show you a store that I frequent quite a bit, but I don't think I've ever done a video on it. It's called the P and Y store. It's a really small shop, but this lady seems to either have friends in Japan or goes to Japan and has a very eclectic mix of toys. So let me show you here. Oh, here it is, the stall 5A 555. So I bought a lot of cars here. I'll show you those later, but if you like figures also, which I do, this lady's got everything, really. Even tin toys down there. And she's moving in a lot of the cute collectible toys, like those upset ducks and stuff. But here, if you a lot of out-of-print Hot Wheels, even an Auto World up there. Like, look at these old toys, these Mars Attacks figures. Weirdos, never even heard of that. And then most everything has a price on it, so you don't have to waste time asking how much this costs, that costs. A lot of other shops are too lazy to even price their stuff. These are really old. I remember buying these when they were new. These pod racer packs. Toys, Road Warrior figure. Old Star Trek. Okay, so yeah, some more Hot Wheels. Cute figures. Let's see what's in here. Godzilla. There's giant Mercedes in here. Yeah, got the old Konami 1/64 scale cars. Some 1/43. I think those are 1/76 scales over here. More figures. Oh man, hood rats. Oh yeah, these things I used to collect a long time ago. Also, these homies. They're a little big for 1/64 though. More like 1/43. And then really old Matchbox all in this wooden case. Some 187s, which are really fantastic. Look how detailed that 187 car is. Look at those old Matchbox cars. Cool. Simpson. die-cast cars and chorokus in here. This lady has a lot of chorokus all the time, so you gotta come back often. Yeah, here's some chorokus, like Choroku Zeros back when they were still in boxes. Bunch of Subarus and Mitsubishis right now. I think I have all those though. Yeah, so come check it out. This is the name of the shop here, P&Y. And I think they must have Facebook or something, but I don't see where. So yeah, really cool shop. Come check it out.